Man, this is a sad, sad day, guys. YouTube's cucking us right now, so there should be a live stream. I've been trying. You guys can go see all my videos. I'm trying to keep it up, but it's just not showing in the discovery. There's not a chat. I've been trying to go on Facebook, and I don't like Facebook. There's, and Facebook's going down right now. We're seeing no news on that, but I figured I'd talk to you guys about what I'm going to be trading this morning, what I'm looking at, kind of giving a recap. Be on the lookout. If I can get the stream up, I will. If not, watch out for these videos. I think it's a good mix. If anything, you guys got a little too attached regardless, right? But if anything, check out the free stock trading course. We just launched the real estate one as well too, so make sure you guys check that out. Everything's in the description, and let me know some questions you have here. I get sadly we don't have the chat right now, but use this comment box as if it's there. But pretty much confusion, right? Not confusion, but a little less unexpected. The market jumped up 200, 300 points, and it seems like those trade talks disappeared. Now, we talked about it last night on the live stream. We were discussing, this fake news, and it's kind of fascinating that it was like they announced that, the cancellation of that ambassador meeting, the trade fears. That's where we saw kind of the market react. However, the big point with it was, they said it was Larry Kudlow came on afterwards and said it was fake. And the market reacted mainly because of Chinese growth, the GDP data that was the worst in 3 decades. That's what the market said. What I mean by that is that you go look at any of the news sources, a lot of news sources are blaming that. They're blaming existing home sales, which I didn't even think was that bad, even though it was the worst print in 3 years. Again, I think investors were expecting it, but now the market jumped up. Honestly, the big plays here, I think one of the biggest things to look at, IBM, I think this is what brought the market up. They had their earnings, they didn't do bad, and it just shot up 10%. This is like the biggest one-day gain in a while. And then we also have Procter & Gamble. They did something similar. Oh, I have those Procter & Gamble puts. Yeah, so that's what I got killed on. I got killed on those, but it's interesting, like Amazon right now, tech, the market's up right now, and look at, this is where you notice, S&P's up, Nasdaq's up, and Dow's up the most, but for the most part, things are down, and I'm looking at them now. I got my Twitter puts yesterday. If you guys saw those, that has been doing very well, but you're seeing problems with Twitter, seeing problems with Facebook, some of these social media stocks, and another play I got that I'm watching all these today, every single one, Qualcomm. So I'm not yet looking at NVIDIA. Honestly, I don't know when you guys are going to see this. NVIDIA starting to get a little good for the straddle. You guys know how I am with this. We're going to have to pull up our option chain. Damn, I wish you guys were here with this, if you guys know how I am live. But watching those, there's something going on in this chip maker space. There's something going on with Qualcomm and some of these stocks. So that's what I'm keeping my eye out for. Trump is going to have another, he's going to announce some meetings. Everything's coming the 29th, but I think everything's earnings. And this is what I've been saying. I said this last night. I'm going to say this again. Right now, investors are really concerned with earnings. Stocks aren't going to move as much till then. And even now, you got to get a visual of what's happening here. A few stocks, are pulling the market up, but that doesn't really accurately define the whole situation here of what we're seeing. Again, you go look at Amazon, Facebook, and all that right now. However, don't get confused where some things could oversell and overreact. But what we're looking for here, moving forward in the market is going to be the trade deals and any other news that affects it. So that's what I'm looking at. I am going to be setting up earnings. You guys know I'm playing the big ones. There's a little companies in between, and I don't know if you guys were on the webinar. I forgot when we were talking about it, but I said, you guys got to aim small accounts. If you have small accounts, aim for earnings. Stop trying to play a weekly. If you're trying to flip some of these weeklies, I got those Microsoft weeklies. Those are great yesterday, but if you're trying to flip those, that's not what you're going to want to do with a small account. Give yourself a earnings. Give yourself a shot with earnings. So I think that's pretty much it. I don't want to miss anything. I do want to keep this short and sweet for you guys. That's pretty much the basis. I'm watching Qualcomm, NVIDIA, Facebook today, and then obviously my Boeing and all that. It sucks that this could change. I think stuff is going to come out. We're only 30 minutes in the market, so we're going to see how this plays out. Like I said, if I could get the stream up, I'll let you guys know. Be on the lookout for that, and let me know what questions you have. Let me know what comments so I could have some stuff to look at. I'll try to give an update here in a few hours, or let me know. What do you guys think about Facebook Live? I didn't really like it. It was pissing me off. So let me know. I love you guys. Peace. I already finished, but I was going to put this in, so maybe I'll just throw this in at the beginning. But part of what's contributing to the rally, you look at where the pound is. Pound got a huge rally off of some support with Theresa May and everything going on with Brexit. And then the USD Jappy, again, we had a Japanese, the BOJ had some talks yesterday. They had an interest rate decision, and the market took it well. They hit above 110. That's the first time since pretty much the new year. And that's a crucial point for the USD Jappy. So to see that and China strengthen, and that was the thing, that Larry Kudlow news, I explain it later here in this video, but the biggest thing that happened in the video was related to, Larry Kudlow said there is a big meeting on January 29th. That did not get canceled. Any other talks of cancellation is just simply untrue at this point. So, yeah,